Alright guys, welcome back. So as planned and hoped for, my unemployment came through today. This is the third check that I've received, but the, I don't know what it's called, but the stimulus came through and back paid me for the last 2 weeks. So I just want to show you that, how much unemployment I am receiving. I've had some questions, but also just some information as well. It's quite interesting how much money they are giving out, and I'm actually making more money staying home and doing nothing than being at work, so that's awesome. I'm actually really enjoying that, as bad as that may sound. I think the stimulus is for 4 months, and I know that I've had at least 1 month off coming up, so if I could get another 3 months off, I would not complain at all, because why would I want to go back to work and make less money and then staying home and making more? It doesn't really make sense to me. I'm sure most people are in that boat, but obviously I love my job and stuff like that. But I mean, if you can make more money and stay home, why wouldn't you, and spend time with your family or whatnot? So anyways, I'm just going to show you the numbers real quick. Yeah, it's probably going to be a short video, but it's really just nuts how much money they're giving out, and I'm not mad about it. So all right, let's go. Here we go. All right, so here's my my old phone, and here's my bank account. So as you can see, April 7th was the first time I got my unemployment check for $790, and I always transfer that money into my savings account just to earn a higher interest on return or whatever. And then I usually transfer it to my high yield savings account for whatever, 30 times the amount, so I can actually make something more than 10 cents a month. So I'm actually making like 40 bucks a month just on interest from my savings. Anyways, here is the tax, whatever stimulus check that was supposed to be $1,200, turned out to be $868, just because I turned in my 2019 taxes, so I got penalized for that, which is really stupid, because all the lazy people with their 2018 taxes and didn't turn in their 2019 taxes got to use their 2018 taxes to make it look like they made less money, if that was the case, in which case was for me. So I got penalized for every $100 I made over $75,000, I lost money. So I lost like $350 or whatever that equals to, because I made like $80,000 last year if you watched that video at the beginning of the year. So I got penalized and it got down to $868. It's free money, but still sucks that I had to lose a bunch. And then here was the next payment was $790 again for unemployment on April 14th. And then right here, the next one, before I show all my account numbers, this was the one that I got this morning. It was $2,590, and that is basically back pay for, that's back pay, if this phone will work. So that is back pay for the last 2 weeks. So currently I'm receiving $1,390 with the $600 stimulus per week. So that's awesome. That's more than I make when I'm working. But then also the extra $1,200 for the last 2 weeks in back pay, $600 plus $600. So that is how I got the $2,590 this week. So from here on out, it'll just be $1,390, but they back owed me for the last 2 weeks of $600. So they threw the $1,200 on top of the $1,390, so that's how I got the $2,590. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just crazy. I'm loving it, staying home and getting free money. This is the first time I've ever been on unemployment, and I'm absolutely loving it. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like, it would help me out. Subscribe, giveaway at 2,000 subscribers, which is coming up real soon, like 16 subscribers away. If you want to be interested in that, go ahead and follow along. And shout out to the person who called me rich and spoiled, because as you can see, I'm not. I've worked for everything I've ever gotten except basically food that I eat of my parents. But yes, I do live at home, and I'm not ashamed about that, because it's helping me save up 1/3 of a house payment. So or a house. So anyways, I am moving out. If you don't know, no one cares about this, but I'm moving out. My house is on standby right now just because of all this coronavirus stuff. So I will be moving out here in about whatever 7-8 months once that starts back up and everything's unfrozen. But I'm sort of trying to explain myself, but I also sort of don't care just because haters are gonna hate. But anyways, yeah, life is good, and hopefully you enjoyed this, and don't forget to check out the description if you need anything, and hit the notification bell if you want to. Thanks guys, peace out, God bless.